going on, guys? Hey, it's Anthony here at the Breakout Daily. Thank you for tuning in. Today we got an epic mail call. We've got 4 prints plus a mystery box. All of this is coming to me from Torpedo Comics. Let's dive into the video. All right, guys. So we have, this is the mystery box. Apparently they could not put it in a normal box. $100 from Torpedo. So we're going to see. The last 2 I got, I think I barely made out to the $100 marker. That was the TMNT boxes. I think the comic book value was about $60. And then the signatures for Eastman, I'm going to say it's got to be worth at least $10 a signature. And then something super cool is we've got 4 prints. This is awesome. There is 1 print in here that I am just uberly stoked for. So, excuse me. We'll do this very strange mystery box first, and then we'll go into the prints. Before I dive into this stuff, though, guys, make sure hit subscribe down below so you guys don't miss any of the mail call videos or any of our other special videos that we are putting together here. That is, they must have ran out of boxes. That's kind of lame. Let's see. This is a big stack of books, especially compared to what I picked up from the TMNT bundles, because that was only 4 books. This is a healthy stack. I don't recall which this is. They kind of threw it in, and it was some type of mystery pack. So let's see what we have going on here. As always, I will be checking some of the prices. I can see the first book. So $100, man. I hope that we get something notable here with this. Let's take a look. This first book's in really good condition. Oops. And we are using cover price to get us at least an idea. This is actually in really good condition. So this is a 9.0 on this first book. I'll just show you as I'm looking. This is X-Force 11. Is this the first appearance of Domino? Or is this a second appearance? Jesus, there's so many different books in there it is. It is a direct edition. Very nice condition, though. So this is the first appearance of Domino. The real Domino, Nina Thurman. This book, raw books are going for about $9.50. So a graded 9.8, it's saying, went up to about $120. Very nice book. So we're going to say $10. We'll give them that. So this is $10. Next thing on this is an old boy right here. That's pretty cool looking. And again, I wish I knew what the prize was. They don't have the big prize, because I always like seeing that. Let's see what this next book is. Try to pull it up. At least it's going pretty quick. The Saga of Swamp Thing. This is a 7.5. Very clean looking book. Direct issue. There we go. Right there. So take a look at that guy. Definitely an older book. There it is. Raw copies going for about $4. So yeah, nothing special there. Cool older book. We have another one. Oh, I think actually, now that I'm looking at this, I think this is like all women, or it's supposed to be like women keys. Because here's another one I'm gonna say is probably not. Maybe I'm wrong when I say it now. So we have the Newsstand Dazzler number 25 coming in at an 8.0. This guy is going for $3.76. Oh my goodness. And this next book doesn't get me excited either. Oh my goodness. Come on. These guys are going to start. I hate to say this, and actually I don't want to say this, but these guys don't start. And maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I've got some epic stuff under this, but if they don't start ponying up with some of these mystery boxes, man, I don't see it heading in a good direction. Captain America 431. Nothing special at all about this book. It's a 9.0. This guy comes in at $2.50. So now we're up to 4 comics and we're not even at $20. This is a cool looking book. Wow. Interesting. Let me see what is. I have no clue what this book is. And they used their backer. That's interesting. They used their backer board. What is this? Is that the book, or is this the book? Did they put it in backwards? They did. It's Essentia. Double cover. Looks like issue 6. So let me. I'm not familiar with that at all. Let's look. Come on, guys. Yeah, I've never heard of this. Essentia. It's a cool looking book. Let's see what cover price has to say. Uh-oh. Make sure I spelt it right. A-S-C-E-N. Okay, so this one isn't even in here. Cover price doesn't even have this, so I'm going to have to look elsewhere for that. That's all right. We have Justice League United. That's a cool looking book. Justice. So now I don't get to see Justice League United number 2. So now they're flipped over, so I see them moments after you guys see them right there. That's a cool looking book with Stargirl. Justice League United. Is this a variant? This is a variant. It's the Bombshell variant. This guy's coming in at $2.50. So we haven't even made it to, with the exception of Essentia, we haven't even made it to $20 yet. And that's more than half the books, guys. This is not looking good. And this next book I don't think is going to be the Ringer. Let's see what this next book is. So we got Superman. I'm going to show you in a moment. Superman, Wonder Woman 28. 9.2 is the grade they're giving this. Superman. This is the John Romita Jr. This is $2.50. Guys, we're on our way to $25. This isn't even a third. Come on, we got. Holy cow, this is horrible. We got 3 books. Maybe I won some kind of cool prize. I hope so, because I'm not feeling too good right now. Avengers versus X-Men round 7. So let's look this guy up. I hope that's something special. Because again, like I'm not doing too good on this one. Avengers versus X-Men. Oops. And this is issue number. I'm assuming this is issue number 7. Let's see what it says. There it is. It does have Hawkeye on the cover. Oh, there we go. Maybe we went over, unless I take it. So this is Avengers team variant. Some of these covers were worth money. Not this one, though. This is $5. Unfortunately, and that's an 8.5. It looks like we have. Okay. So maybe we'll come out on this. Okay. Awesome. We have an autographed Astonishing X Ant-Man number 2, signed by Mark Brooks. So that is cool. Let's see if the book is worth anything. It's always the funny thing about some of this is, Oops. Just because it has a signature doesn't mean it's worth anything, especially for a book that hopefully, it's a good looking book though. It's pretty cool looking. Please be worth some money. That's a dope cover. No. The book itself is worth nothing, so it's worth $2. That's crazy. This is a $2 book. Wow. That is crazy. Okay, so this is super dope. Wow. This is super dope. I don't know. Let me look this up before I show you guys, because it's pretty dope. But guys, aside from the signature, I'm at like $30 or $35, right around $35. This had better be a banger of a book, because the cover's dope. And I'm getting kind of worried. I'm getting kind of worried, guys. I may have tanked it. This may be a complete loss, and unfortunately, I think it is. Super cool book, though. Let me show you. This is the 5th print of issue number 25. Right there. See if you guys can see it. Venom, which is dope, yes. It's also signed by Donny Cates, which is also cool. Okay. But is this book... Well, it could be. I mean, who knows? Is it worth $70 or $65? I don't know. Brief intermission. I'm going to say that this was definitely not worth $100, unfortunately. The domino was cool. This was kind of a brutal pickup. I got to look this book up. Maybe this is the hidden gem. Actually, let me check something here. Let me see if I can get a price on that real quick before we look at some prints. I have some badass prints here. I'll show you. This video is getting a little long. I don't know why this did not show up. Okay, so it was a Kickstarter. Maybe that's why. Let me try Key Collector just to see if any of it comes up. I didn't see it for some reason. No. Yeah, so I don't know, man. Let's do eBay one last go here, and then we're gonna open these prints up and off we go. It's unfortunate. It really is. It's just like, damn, guys. I don't know. I mean, I see regular Essentia going for $5, variants $15. Essentia, I think it was number 6. Yeah. $4, $15, $4, $6. That's what they're listing them for. None of which is this special hologram cover. So I don't know. I'm going to say $10 maybe. Let's pull these prints out. I did not open these, so this is the first time I actually get to see these in person. I have been picking up prints as I can, and some of these will be hung in the office. Some of these will not be. Jesus. But there is one specific print in here that I am like so stoked for. Okay, so here is an awesome print right here. This is wicked. We have Wonder Woman. This is a Frank Cho print, autographed by Frank Cho, but like, look at that. It's freaking awesome. Beautiful, beautiful work. Super, super cool print. Let me keep Keep going here. Now we're going to do this next one. Let's see what. At least they put them in these like nice covers. I want to save. Oh yeah, that's the one I want to save for last. That's the Mac Daddy print. There's still, I mean, don't get me wrong, these are all cool prints, but there's one that I think it might be the most expensive comic book creator print. Maybe not. Oh yeah, here's another cool one. This was a cool one. Web of Spider-Man number 31. Mike Zeck signature. Let's see if I can show you. Mike Zeck signed it right down on the bottom. Again, has its COA. Pull it back. Look at that, super cool. You got a rifle. Oops. You got a rifle coming down. Spider-Man all tangled up in a net. It's just pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Actually, I like how they did that. This auction that I bought this from was the first time I saw that. Right now, the only deal I've got from Torpedo, I feel like at this moment, are these prints. And they're not, some of them are cheap, some of them are not. This one I just thought was cool and actually was affordable. And it is Groot and Rocket, signed by Rodney Ramos. Also pretty cool, I thought. All right. Now on to the last one, the moment you've been waiting for. If you stuck around this long, thank you guys. Oh, the little dark there. This is super cool. Definitely going in the office. I got it for a killer price. I've never seen this before, but I am super duper happy to have this print. Yeah. Anyways, guys, that is Secret Wars number 8. And if you don't know, I've got Secret Wars. It is at CGC forever. And it is signed by John Betty and Mr. Mike Zeck right there. Super cool, guys. Thank you for sticking around. Hopefully you stuck around through this whole video. Still a bummer on the mystery box I got. If anybody from Torpedo is watching, you guys, like, you gotta get the thing going here. There's got to be a floor and a ceiling on these boxes. While some of it's cool, it's not what I was looking for. So that's it. Thank you guys for tuning in. As always, subscribe. Check out the Breakout Daily on Instagram, TikTok, and everywhere else. We'll catch up with you in another video.